Hyundai Motor has unveiled the new i20, boasting a stylish redesign and a host of safety and connectivity features, positioning it as a top contender in its class. The car showcases a refreshed exterior design, including a revamped front bumper and radiator grille, lending it an elegant yet sporty appearance. The rear also sees enhancements with a redesigned bumper and unique taillight design, along with new 16 and 17-inch wheels. Standard LED front lights and Z-shaped LED rear lamps contribute to its bold aesthetic. Despite its compact B-segment dimensions, the i20 offers ample interior space and a 352-liter boot capacity, 1,165 liters when rear seats are folded down. Moreover, the new i20 introduces an expanded color palette, featuring 9 exterior color options and an optional black two-tone roof. 3 new exterior colors, Lucid Lime Metallic, Lumen Gray Pearl, and Meta Blue Pearl, are introduced alongside returning favorites. Inside, a fresh Lucid Lime interior color package with unique seat patterns and lime-colored stitching is available. In terms of connectivity, the new i20 comes equipped with modern features, including USB Type-C and over-the-air (OTA) map updates, a 10.25-inch touchscreen navigation, on premium trim and above, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, wireless device charging, and the latest Bluelink telematics update. Safety takes center stage with Hyundai's SmartSense features as standard. This includes forward collision avoidance assist, FCA, for various scenarios, lane following assist, LFA, and more. Optional safety systems like rear cross-traffic collision assist, RCCA, blind spot collision avoidance assist, BCA, and navigation-based smart cruise control, NSCC, further enhance safety. The powertrain lineup is simplified, offering a turbocharged 3-cylinder 100 PS engine with a choice of 6-speed manual or 7-speed dual-clutch transmission across all models. The i20's range starts with the Advance, priced at £20,770, offering a range of exterior and interior features, including Hyundai's SmartSense safety package. The Premium, starting at £22,570, builds on the Advanced trim with additional exterior enhancements and features like automatic wipers, climate control, and Bluelink telematics. The i20 Ultimate, starting at £24,070, includes advanced features such as Smart Key, wireless charging, blind spot collision warning, BCW, and a Bose Premium Sound System. In summary, the new Hyundai i20 impresses with its refreshed design, extensive color options, cutting-edge connectivity, and a range of safety features, making it a strong contender in the B-segment automobile market.